Have you ever stopped to think about what will happen to your possessions and loved ones after you're gone? It's a question that many of us avoid, but it's one of the most important considerations we can make in our lives. It's not the most pleasant thought, but it's a reality that we all must face, eventually. Planning for the future is crucial to ensure that your wishes are honored and your loved ones are taken care of. This is where estate planning comes in. Estate planning is not just about distributing your assets, it's about creating a comprehensive plan that addresses all aspects of your life and legacy. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Whether you have a modest estate or significant assets, planning is essential. It's about ensuring your wishes are respected and your loved ones are taken care of when you're no longer around. It's about providing for your family, protecting your assets, and leaving a legacy that reflects your values and priorities. Imagine this. You've worked hard your entire life, built a home, and want to ensure your children's future is secure. You want to make sure that your hard-earned assets are passed on to the next generation in a way that benefits them the most. Without a plan, your assets might not be distributed as you desire, potentially causing disputes and hardship for your family. The lack of a clear plan can lead to confusion, disagreements, and even legal battles among your loved ones. Estate planning provides peace of mind, knowing your affairs are in order. It allows you to make informed decisions about your future and ensures that your wishes are carried out exactly as you intend. Estate planning encompasses various aspects, including creating a will, setting up trusts, and designating beneficiaries for your assets. It also involves planning for potential incapacity, ensuring that your healthcare and financial decisions are made by someone you trust, and designating beneficiaries for your assets. By taking these steps, you can avoid probate, minimize taxes, and ensure that your loved ones are taken care of without unnecessary stress or delay. It's about taking control of your future and ensuring your legacy is protected. Your legacy is more than just your financial assets. It's the values, traditions, and memories you leave behind for your family and future generations. Estate planning is a powerful tool that empowers you to make decisions about your future. It allows you to take proactive steps to protect your loved ones, preserve your assets, and ensure that your wishes are honored. It's about protecting your loved ones, minimizing potential conflicts, and ensuring your hard-earned assets are distributed according to your wishes. By planning ahead, you can provide for your family's future and leave a lasting legacy. Don't wait until it's too late. Take the first step towards securing your legacy today. Start the conversation with your loved ones, consult with a professional, and begin the process of estate planning to ensure that your future and your family's future are well protected. A will is a legal document that outlines how you want your assets distributed after your passing. It serves as a crucial tool in estate planning, ensuring that your wishes are respected and followed. By clearly stating your intentions, you can prevent potential disputes among family members and provide a sense of clarity and direction. It's like a set of instructions for your loved ones, ensuring your wishes are carried out. This document can cover a wide range of assets, from your home and car to personal belongings and financial accounts. By specifying who gets what, you can help your family avoid confusion and conflict during an already difficult time. Imagine it as a letter from you, guiding your family during a challenging time. This letter can also include personal messages, words of wisdom, or even specific instructions for handling certain items or situations. It's a way to maintain a connection with your loved ones even when you're no longer physically present. Think of a will as a roadmap for your possessions. Just as a map provides direction and clarity, your will offers a clear path for distributing your assets. It helps ensure that everything is handled according to your wishes, providing peace of mind for both you and your family. It designates who receives your house, car, savings, or even sentimental items like family heirlooms. These decisions can have a significant impact on your loved ones, and a well-crafted will ensures that your intentions are honored. By taking the time to create a detailed will, you can help preserve family harmony and protect your legacy. Without a will, these decisions are left to the courts, which may not align with your intentions. The legal process can be lengthy and complicated, often leading to outcomes that might not reflect your true wishes. By having a will in place, you can avoid this uncertainty and ensure that your estate is managed according to your preferences. A will is not just about possessions, it's also about people. It allows you to make important decisions about the care and guardianship of your loved ones. This can include appointing a guardian for your children, ensuring that they are raised by someone you trust and who shares your values. If you have young children, your will is crucial for appointing a guardian to care for them in your absence. This decision can provide stability and security for your children, knowing that they will be cared for by someone you have chosen. It's one of the most important aspects of a will, as it directly impacts the future well-being of your family. This ensures they're raised by someone you trust and their well-being is protected. By taking the time to create a comprehensive will, you can provide peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones, knowing that your wishes will be respected and your family will be cared for. Creating a will might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process. Firstly, you'll need to list your assets, your home, car, savings, investments, and any valuables. Then, you'll name your beneficiaries, the individuals or organizations who will inherit these assets. Next, you'll choose an executor. This person will be responsible for carrying out your wishes as outlined in the will. They'll manage your estate, pay any debts, and distribute your assets to your beneficiaries. Finally, if you have minor children, you'll designate a guardian for them. This is a crucial decision, ensuring your children are cared for by someone you trust and their best interests are prioritized. While you can draft a will yourself, seeking legal advice is highly recommended. An experienced estate planning attorney can guide you through the process, ensuring your will is legally sound and reflects your wishes accurately. Think of it like this. You wouldn't attempt complex surgery on yourself, you'd seek a qualified surgeon. Similarly, estate planning involves legal complexities best handled by a professional. An attorney can help you navigate potential challenges, such as minimizing estate taxes or addressing potential family disputes. Their expertise ensures your will is legally binding and your wishes are carried out smoothly. Section 5. Beyond the Will. Exploring the world of trusts. Trusts are another essential tool in estate planning, offering more flexibility and control over your assets. Imagine a trust as a safe container for your assets, managed by a trustee for the benefit of your chosen beneficiaries. There are various types of trusts, each serving a different purpose. For instance, a revocable living trust allows you to manage your assets while you're alive and automatically distributes them to your beneficiaries upon your passing. Another example is a special needs trust, designed to provide for a beneficiary with disabilities without jeopardizing their eligibility for government benefits. Trusts offer a tailored approach to estate planning, addressing specific needs and circumstances. Section 6. Safeguarding your legacy. The advantages of trusts. Trusts offer several advantages over wills. One significant benefit is probate avoidance. Probate is the legal process of validating a will, which can be time-consuming and costly. Trusts bypass probate, ensuring a quicker and more private distribution of your assets. This is particularly beneficial if you have a complex estate or want to maintain your family's privacy. Moreover, trusts provide ongoing asset management. You can appoint a trustee with financial expertise to manage the trust assets, ensuring their growth and preservation for your beneficiaries. Section 7. Will versus trust. Choosing the right path for your needs. Choosing between a will and a trust depends on your individual circumstances. A will is often sufficient for simpler estates, while trusts are more suitable for complex situations or specific goals. For instance, if you have a blended family with children from previous relationships, a trust can help ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes, minimizing potential conflicts. Similarly, if you have a child with special needs, a special needs trust can protect their financial well-being without affecting their eligibility for government assistance. Consulting an estate planning attorney can help you determine the best approach based on your specific needs. Section 8. The power of planning. Additional estate planning essentials. While wills and trusts are fundamental, other essential documents can enhance your estate plan. Powers of attorney grant someone you trust the authority to make financial or medical decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. Imagine a scenario where you're hospitalized and unable to manage your finances. A durable power of attorney ensures your bills are paid and your financial affairs are handled smoothly. Similarly, an advance directive, also known as a living will, outlines your healthcare preferences if you're unable to communicate them. This ensures your medical wishes are respected, providing peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Section 9. Your future secured. Taking the next step in estate planning. Estate planning is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires your attention and care over the years. It evolves with your life changes, adapting to new circumstances and ensuring that your wishes are always up to date. As your family grows, your assets increase, or your goals shift, reviewing and updating your estate plan is crucial. Don't wait for a life-altering event to prompt action. Regularly revisiting your estate plan can help you stay ahead of any potential issues and make sure everything is in order. Take the first step today by consulting an experienced estate planning attorney. They'll guide you through the process, providing expert advice tailored to your unique situation. They will answer your questions, address your concerns, and help you create a comprehensive plan that provides peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Remember, estate planning is not about predicting the future. It's about being prepared for whatever the future may hold. It's about taking control of your legacy and ensuring that your wishes are respected. It's about protecting your legacy, ensuring your wishes are respected, and providing for those you love. By taking these steps now, you can secure a future that reflects your values and provides for your family in the way you intend.